We are at McKenna Event Center. Comal Master Gardeners and A&M AgriLife are hosting Insect Expo, an exciting event for 4th grade students from New Braunfels School District.
Today we have entomologists, but we also have mainly Master Gardeners and Master Naturalist volunteers from Comal County, Bexar County,
and they're going to go through 20 different stations, learning all about insects, getting up close and personal with the insect petting zoo and cockroach racing and maggot art, things that all 4th graders love. They're exploring and learning, asking questions and having fun.
We do this Insect Expo around different states, and so we decided to do it locally finally for the first time.
Give an opportunity to the school-age kids to learn something about nature and the insects and the importance of insects to our lives.
They're learning that bugs are beneficial, so we hope all our kids are learning today and having fun.
It's interactive. They're either doing a craft or an experiment, and they're taking something back from it. And we hope that when they go back home and empty out their bags, even if it's just a bookmark that they've stamped, they remember, oh, that was at the decomposer station, and they can teach their parents then, which helps them learn better also.